Hello everyone, welcome again to Culture Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today I'm about to roast a very large yellow heart breadfruit. I did upload the video shots with the yellow heart breadfruit, a very big one. Let's hope I'll get to roast it before the rain begin, because it seems like it's gonna rain. I'm gonna put it on my viewers. This is it. It's very large yellow heart. Look at it. I'm using like things from the coconut. Do not waste these, so I just utilizing all these coconut husks. So I'm about to put it on. Catching up, the fire is catching up good now. Let's hope it will come roast before the rain come. The breeze will blow it. This is it. Gonna roast yellow heart breadfruit, my viewers. Sometimes we have to fan the fire, blow the fire. Let me see if I find something to fan it, that it will. This needs something, and if this will do it. Do the trick. Let's see if it will work. Yeah. Welcome our viewers wherever you are viewing from worldwide. This is how we've done it in the country, rural Jamaica. This is country life, country living, country life. That's the most delicious type of breadfruit you can find. Gonna set it up and have it with some nice, don't know if I'm gonna use some codfish or what. This is easy to roast. See that smoke? Lot of smoke, my viewers. This is real country life. And if any of my viewers would like to come and see this type of lifestyle, just simple, but it can be fun. Outdoor, not in house, just outdoor, enjoying fresh air, looking at the plants. The breeze is so fresh and pure and nice. Whenever time the breeze started to blow, you're gonna see the fire just blaze up on it. I'll let it roast. Maybe I have to do more than one part of this video, since I don't really have them kind of big professional camera. I'm just using phone, so might have to just maybe cut this part of the video, and then when it soon roasts, get a next shot of it. So please look out for the other part of the video, my viewers. I'm gonna cut this section.